Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter medium wheelbase Dropside. This single cab Dropside comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 102 bhp. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. The front portion of the vehicle is finished in the solid paint colour candy white, and down below the vehicle sits on 16-inch steel wheels, as well as being provided with a full-size steel spare wheel. To the rear of the vehicle there is a fixed towbar, which is useful for a variety of towing applications. And taking a look at the Ingimex Dropside body, all three panels can be fully dropped, allowing you to load a variety of different items into the bed of this truck. Up front in the driver's cab there's a singular seat for the driver, along with a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.